Good morning, everybody, and thank you to all respective members and delegates to invite me for this panel and opportunity to Bosch to speak about the same. And thanks to all organizers for organizing these sessions. So, is it my voice is audible, please, so that I can start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, keeping the time limit, so I will start with a few 2-3 slides about Bosch. Can everybody see my presentation? Because then I will move ahead.
It is visible, sir.
Okay, so Bosch is a company where we have a business in automotive, industry, energy, and consumer. This division where I'm part of business verticals, heading all business verticals. So this is a team which is a part of energy and building technology. And we have more than, just let me put it in a presentation form.
Sir, slide show, sir.
Okay. Is it okay now?
It is not in slide show.
Is it now okay? Okay, so Bosch as a group, we 2% charitable organization, and we in India we are having around 38,000 employees working for Bosch Technology India, and these are the various divisions. And worldwide we have multiple factories. Of course, in India also, our headquarters is in Munich, Germany. So coming back to today's focus, today's focus was about Bosch technology, how we are helping metro railways in a solution which is correlated to analytics, IoT, data storage, and all that. Enough time is whatever solutions we are developing, top solution for a metro or a railway. Today I will, because we have recently done a lot of metro projects. Of course, railway is also buying a lot of products and technology from Bosch. I will be more specific towards some recent examples where we have supported with the latest technology trends related to analytics, data, and storage to these customers. So we have, in addition to that, all these divisions. Let me straight away come to the we are associated. Bosch takes care of a product which correlates to intrusion, video, access, fire, voice, public, your display system, interface to station management, building management, and interface to all other subsystems you're using on date. So coming basically what exactly is required as a telecom for a railway or a metro that we all support on today in every project. Whoever is looking in a railway or a metro, anything related to public, building, fire, intrusion, conference, access, surveillance, they need not to go to different vendor and discuss about technology where there are a lot of issues. So Bosch as a technology partner can support all these discussions. Few recent example before I go into the technology part. If you see the recent huge investment by Government of India in various metros, DMRC, you will see almost all the metro projects. What exactly the change what I've seen in the railway and now metro is, initially the discussion was only on L1 part. Now what I've seen is the more discussions are towards technology and latest technology trends. That is the reason where we are getting into good technology discussion with all customers on day. So a few examples again to highlight the latest technology trends, including Chennai Metro, which is already using our product surveillance products in the present phases in the project. You can see almost all 16 to 18 metros in India, they are using again Bosch address PIDs and display systems. Worldwide, we are again doing a lot of projects. So the best example which we have recently quoted is DMRC, because Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has set up the recent example with the 250 locations live with latest technology trends using your data storage, analytics, and IVA. What is the mega trends which is actually the need of today? See, with a lot of urbanization, a lot of smart cities coming, a lot of expectations in terms of solution. The best part is we need to optimize improving the individual and ensuring that end of a day and the data transformation, which is more important, which should not be on risk at any cost. So coming back, end of a day, the more important part is audio quality. When a passenger go at a station, he should feel the audio which is coming in terms of announcement should be clear and crystal. Same example could be fire detection. These are topics I will cover in a few coming slides. Fire detection, like we are building a lot of solution. We are building a lot of tunnels, but end of a day, there should be a protection and safety of the passengers who are traveling using these technologies also. So moreover, sometimes people start walking on tracks and all that. So what is the way out to ensure that if there is any incidents happening, how we can protect that? Solutions like it's a consumer market. We want to modernization our railway stations. So we want to ensure that retail experience at our railway stations or metro should also be passenger. Moreover, in terms of security, if there is any left luggage is there should be an alarm in the parking. How many passengers are inside the railway track? So these all questions keep on coming from various requirements. So these can be easily addressed. One simple example is with a change of technology. Now what we have introduced is we have I think the last presentation we were talking about edge-based solution. The same is the technology what Bosch is following now. Edge-based technology basically making a camera itself a smart camera which can not only detect which cannot also be act as a fire alarm in that case. That is the latest technology trend which has been introduced by Bosch in many projects. Another challenge, sometimes we see very long and non-detection. So sometimes the fire occurs, and the problem is that it detected at a very later stage. So the best part is when you build all this infrastructures and all these details, you have to ensure you build up a technology which should support the customer in terms of emergency and all that. Anything for any sort of requirement for a passenger. So these all products which we are supporting. I started with especially with fire alarm system because in India, we mostly take it as we do not take it as an important part of our technology, but with the need, with the requirement, with the way we are moving ahead, this becomes the important part of our day-to-day need for safety of passengers. So this is a technology, we call it a AVIC solution, which delivers alarms in case of any fire or any detection in tunnel or at a station or in a room or a building which is built by a railway or a metro. Another part is announcement, which is also very important. We have seen that when passengers are on the railway track, sometime on the platform, they find at which platform the train is getting or moving. Crystal. So you need to be we call it now IP-based technology, so that end of a day, he should have an experience of that clarity, what we are seeing it on HD TVs or HD audio. So same experience should be experienced by the passengers at the railway stations. So end of a day, we are ensuring clear passenger announcement everywhere, which should be clear in terms of intelligibility, in terms of clear from noise and any sort when some announcement is happening. So these are the various parties. With the span of time, initially we used to have a technology called analog technology. This technology have been shifted to now IP. So again, development, we IoT-based product so that able to make announcements very clear. Customer should be able to listen announcement very clear, and the organizer or the people of a railway organization can use the product and solution as per their need and requirement. So coming back again, end of a day when expert service comes, so we need to ensure hardware, software services all are together. Real challenge and moving towards the next technology, which is again the need of today, is the video. So what are the challenges we can see when we go to customers, when we go to railway management, when we go to metro management? Many times points came to our discussion that sometimes videos are not available in many systems. Sometimes somebody has hacked their network. Somebody storage is not happening or data is not very clear. So these sort of wide, we are present in almost 150 countries, and we have done almost 300 plus projects which are more relevant towards metros. Almost every metro worldwide is using our product and solutions. So this video is becoming a day-to-day, the most important part of any security requirement of a railway. So moving towards that, end of a day, customer need that the quality of image should not be compromised, be secure, encrypted, and end of a day, there should not be any leakage or any coming into the system and hack their systems and make their operations. Bosch we are doing is end of a day, whatever products we are releasing or manufacturing for railway, metro, or any such requirements similar to that airports, we are ensuring that all the products are encrypted at every level. and end of a day, there should not be any issue from customer point of view, either in terms of data, in terms of storage, in terms of any sort of extension also. So all these cameras work on edge technology with all analytics inbuilt. Inbuilt analytics help us in terms of go to a what we call a gain or to network again we talk about it. Costing or condition particular entry or companies monitor using SIM camera, SIM analytics about one another. So moving back edge, then camera itself, you need not to depend upon so many hardware, software, and in terms of changing you will see again the same video what is expected at low light and all that. So end of the day, create a trust, secure data, you have rights, you can handle it. So how many people station that can also bring into the station, how many people moving out of the station that can also be counted. There's a few typical layouts of some of the biggest projects we have done recently with 250 locations. So you can see people entering into the station, how many people move.
I think
now it has become clear, sir. Sometimes it was not clear for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes it was not clear. Now it is okay.
Please proceed.
Because of these technologies.
Oh, again, it is not clear. Some audio issue is there in your place.
Sir, to speak. Yes, now it's okay.
Can you hear me?
Please go ahead. No, voice crackling is there. I hope bandwidth is fine.
Connect me to another.
Sir, can you please respond? Sir, can you please continue, sir?
Can you hear me now? Yes. Now
Yes,
my
sir.
voice
Now
is
we are
audible?
able to hear, sir.
Connected on another network. So coming back, so end of a day, you have a system which will not only help with the latest technology, so enhance and improve awareness about the product and technology. So end of a day, see, as a customer, you are looking forward for a technology which should be latest in terms of IP, in terms of lower cost, in terms of less network. You want to ensure that your data is stored. So this is the technology what Bosch is promoting. We call it as IDNR technology, issue reduction. So what is the benefit of this technology to the customers who are having a large network like railways and metro? With this technology, you can ensure that your bandwidth is less, storage is less, noise is less. End of the day, when all these things are less, you will get a less storage, your bandwidth will be less, and you will get overall saving in the cost. So this is the technology which we have implemented in almost all the new metro projects, 17 to 18 new projects, which we are already completed on date and which are already running. So And as a customer, you are looking forward for a technology which should be secure also. So nobody can get into the system without proper approval from from a owner of that particular technology, or with a proper passwords and all that. Towards data security in terms of multi-view and all that, that is also taken care. And end of the day, all these data, whether it's access control, whether it's a video, whether it's fire, whether it's intrusion, a single screen. So this is the benefit of Bosch technology, that you need not to go to different OEMs or different vendors to interface, integrate and run this technology. Everything can be available on a single network, single platform, single screen, clubbing together all this product and technology on a single display mode. So whether you are developing an area near your railway station or within the railway station, that can also be interfaced with the same product and markings. So end of a day, to a benefit to a product or a OEM or to a supplier or to a customer is at a secondary level, primary level, lane level, any level, you will get a video at any cost, which is the need or necessity of. So that end of a day, as a customer, you should not suffer that any video which is required, which is not available. So this is the trend which we are supporting on date. Moreover, you will save the storage, you will save the power. You can add LAC camera in one location or at multiple locations. So there is no issue in scalability. If we are talking about Chennai, if there are multiple locations, that can be also be used, be seen at a single location at the end of a day. So that management system can also be supported with the same software. So moving towards these all cameras are with latest technology, ultra technology or ultra HD technology, so that there is no issue to you as a customer. Moving towards in terms of request. So end of a day, as a owner of the product, you will able to see everything on a single screen. So moving towards next. For another requirement coming from various metros and railways is to ensure restricted access to the areas like TER room, SCR room, or so same access control can be used with the same system. It can be interfaced with the camera also. It can interface with the retina system, face recognition system, your access control system. So end of a day, you can use it as access control. You can use it as a monitoring your security of your building, so that only authorized people enter into the building. So end of a day, whether it's fire, CCTV, pollution, access, everything fits, all the system can be on a single platform. So these are the various options which we have, which we are already giving at very ease and with the redundant solution, so that in case of failure of any sort of product should not fail and system should keep on working. So moving towards next slide. So a lot of these slides are from the recent projects which we are talking about redundancy and product solution. Again, the benefit to the customer is talking about these detectors which can help to protect your boundaries also, like what railways have a bigger boundaries. So same things can be used, and all these things can be integrated on internet. So whatever products Bosch is launching or developing, they are on internet. So that's why we call all products which are developed by Bosch are Internet of Things. So it's whether it's a big railway station or it's a big building for a railway office, anything but is there, it is being considered to ensure that you have a solution and technology with the latest technology trends. So moving to the next slide, this is a new technology which we have recently launched. We call it face recognition system, because product and technology should be there, but without touching anything. So a lot of entries into your offices, into your restricted areas can be done with the camera itself. Camera can work as a face recognition and can open the door and close the door, and can also mark the attendance of the people within the office also. So this is being developed. And recently we have also developed a technology which can sense, the same camera can sense the temperature of a body and can give an alarm if the temperature is on a higher side. In addition to that, if the person is not wearing a mask, then again the alarm can come, and that can be on the display or on the screen. This person is not wearing during this COVID and all that. So all these features have been enabled within the same camera itself. So this is another solution which we have introduced to DMRC, where they want to. So we are trying to introduce a technology using the same DMRC card, they can the person can enter into the parking, and without touching anything, everything will happen automatically. The money will get deducted from their card. This can be with the FASTag, this can be with debit card if they are not using any Metro card in the present scenario. Already recommended to DMRC, and we have proposed a POC also, where everything will be using the present camera, and the same readers can be used to access, and boom barrier will open. Automatically, the amount will be calculated, and when the car or a two-wheeler moves out, automatically the system will show the total cost, and that will be deducted from the card or the debit card or the credit card or the Metro card or the FASTag card. Another thing we have introduced is during.
Interrupt you, Dr. Dalbar. Sorry
Yes,
to interrupt you. I think we just have about 5 minutes left, so speed it up.
Yes. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. And another example could be that you can use the same parking space using the same cameras, and in case of any emergency, can also be reflected. So these are the few pictures which we have already implemented some POCs in various locations in India and abroad where we are using this and recommending these technologies. So moving to last few slides. So a few examples which we have already implemented the projects. This is about Noida, Greater Noida, Jaipur Metro, all these around 16 metros. I think most of the railways are using our speakers and all that also. So recently, one of our partner has done the project where they have used Bosch products, the announcement and all that in multiple railways throughout India. So thank you very much, and that is all from my side.
Thank you, Dr.